Hello and welcome back to my another blog. Right now I am in Azizi, and from Azizi I will go Al-Haeer Lake Park. So in this video I am going to share with you one of the most popular destination in Riyadh people, which name is Al-Haeer Park. So in this video I am showing you how exactly Al-Haeer Park looks like and etc. things. So stay tuned and keep watching my video. Finally I am inside car and I am about to go Al-Haeer Lake Park. So stay tuned and keep watching my video. When you think of Saudi Arabia capital city, you may think of a bustling metropole, modern buildings and a regional powerhouse. You may also think of downs and sparse greenery, as Riyadh is landlocked with miles of desert landscapes surrounding it. But just over 40 minutes by car will take you to what a perhaps Riyadh's best park, one of the city's hidden gems and an oasis of escape known as Ringing Bird Lake or Lake Park, as it is known to many. Finally, I arrived on Al-Haeer Lake Park. You can see right over there, that is the Al-Haeer Lake Park. So we go inside this lake park and I'm going to share with you the inside view, how exactly Al-Haeer looks like. And this is actually the place, the top view. You can see the downside Al-Haeer Lake Park, and this is the top watch tower. And you can see the beautiful view Al-Haeer. It's really very interesting. See right over there, that is the Al-Haeer Lake Park. It's a beautiful view. This is the lake. This is the top view Al-Haeer Lake Park. You can see how beautiful looks like this Al-Haeer Lake Park. It's really very wonderful. You see, it's a really very large lake. It's really very interesting. This is the top view Al-Haeer Lake Park. You can see right over there how beautiful this is. Finally, we arrived in Al-Haeer Lake Park, and now actually this is the downside. We're going to share with you the inside view, how exactly this Al-Haeer Lake Park looks like and etc. things. So stay tuned and keep watching my video. This is the Al-Haeer Lake Park and water canal. You can see how beautiful this is. And this is the lake. It's really very large area where we're going to see this is a kind of river. You can see with a large river where we're going to see a beautiful natural green with a roadside view, and there is a river which is really very interesting. If you're in Riyadh and looking for something fresh, different, fresh, make your mind fresh, definitely you can come and check this out. So we'll try to cover it to share to the different view Al-Haeer Lake Park. See right over there, there is a huge fish in this Al-Haeer Lake Park. Behind me, that is the main attraction in Al-Haeer Lake Park. You can see there is a water fencing. Also there is some kind of different fish, huge fish over there. It's really very interesting. So definitely if you're in Riyadh and if you're looking for something like this water sound or lake or river with fish, definitely come and check this Al-Haeer Lake. So hopefully it's going to be very interesting. Whole Al-Haeer Lake Park, you're going to see this is call in our country magur mas. I don't know what is the name in your country. Definitely type in the comment section below. You can see there is a huge, maybe 100,000 fish available in this Al Haeer Lake Park, and too much fish, but it's not allowed to catch fish. But you can just see and enjoy, view different fish. Or it's definitely too much this fish available. This is magur call, and then also we're going to see the tilapia fish in this Al Haeer Lake Park. It's a very huge area. You consider this is a very large area where many people or many visitors coming to spend their weekend or different days. People are hanging out in this place, which is very, very interesting and most popular attractive place in Riyadh. Definitely, if you didn't visit, you still definitely come and check this out. Now I am right now in the Al Haeer Lake Park, and I'm going to try to share with you the roadside view, the walk around. It might be 2.5 kilometers. I will try to cover it you as much as possible with the time lapse or speed up. Definitely, you can check this view. Located in Al Haeer, Ringing Bird Lake offers visitors of all ages a gorgeous scenery and overall environment to enjoy, from its diversity of nature to fun activities for the kids. The star attraction of this local park is definitely its lake, its distinct murky water, home to a school of catfish for visitors to gaze, with vibrant green grass growing along its bank. The lake also has little cascades to many refer to as a waterfall. Over the years, Ringing Bird Lake has benefited from afforestation and landscaping efforts, which has provided much needed greenery less than hour from the capital city for those looking to escape the stressful urban lifestyle. Visitors can spend the day at the park with friends and family, strolling along its interlocked pavements located next to the lake itself. For the more activity visitor, the park provides service catering to hikers or people looking to ride their bikes. So if you're in Riyadh and looking for something just like this, definitely you can come and check this Al Haeer Lake Park. It's really very interesting and a wonderful view where you're going to see the river, fish, natural green trees, and all the activities, and also very fresh, neat and clean. Also one thing more, the water is not that much bad. The water, there is no bad smell, so you can definitely come and spend your weekend with your friends and family. It's also a fun place for the entire family, as kids can enjoy running around and playing with each other. In fact, due to COVID-19 lockdown, which had limited traveling options, the lake has received large number of visitors this year. If you ever want to see the lake for yourself, it's ideal to visit the park by sunrise or late afternoon, as the weather is nicer during that time of the day. It is no doubt that gazing at the beautiful early morning sky or late evening will thoroughly make you stay a treat. The park is open all day long. Actually, it's a really beautiful place for picnic or seeing the interesting things. But the important things is if you're coming here with your friends, family, or kids, try to bring food or snacks. Most important things, try to bring water. Actually, in this area, there is not available any kind of shops, and this is a kind of remote area. But there is a one, we can see there is one building. Actually, they are trying to make with a hi-fi restaurant, but you might be take some time to open that restaurant. So definitely, if you're coming here, bring water, snacks, or whatever you need. Right now I'm the other side in Al-Haeer Lake Park. Here you can see another water canal, and this is totally huge area with the water, lake and river. Definitely also in this place there is also huge fish. You can definitely you're going to whenever you come in this place you're going to really love this place. It's very, very interesting. We're going to see water sounds and fish, and with huge water with the river. Definitely it's very, very wonderful. Definitely you can come and check this Al-Haeer Lake Park. This is another place, Al-Haeer Lake Park, water events you can see. And this is really very wonderful. The time is evening, and there you can see the sounds, and also there is many fishes there. You can see this is really very interesting. And definitely if you're in Riyadh and you're planning to visit something just like this view, definitely you can come and check this out. So that's for now guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.